Spring is a busy time of year for Montana ranchers with activities like branding, pregnancy checking, and shearing. During COVID-19, agriculture has been declared an essential business. As Russell Nimitz reports in our Montana Ag Network feature, the Montana Department of Livestock has some guidelines they're asking ranchers to consider this year.
Well, for Montana's livestock industry, activities like branding, pregnancy checking, and shearing are absolutely essential, but cannot be done alone. Mike Honeycutt is the Montana Department of Livestock's executive officer and says COVID-19 has certainly brought some unique challenges this year.
We realize that it might be best to put out some guidance to get people thinking about how to do those the best they can and safely in the context of what we're dealing with the virus that's out there, and also to provide reassurance to those county health departments and others who may have concerns about these activities carrying forward.
He says they're asking ranchers to strongly consider implementation of several guidelines set forth by the Montana Department of Public Health.
I think first and foremost is, trying to consider how many people you need to do the job and do it safely, and trying to have those people there. A lot of these events, you gather family members and others, maybe more people than you need. But for this year, consider trying to limit the number of people to actually who's essential to being able to get the job done. Also being considerate of those that would normally help you that have underlying conditions or maybe at greater risk of having issues related to COVID-19 and trying to keep those people away.
And he says he wants to make it clear that these are just recommendations, not mandates.
These are guidance, they're recommendations, they're not mandates, and we just hope that people will think a little bit more as they carry into these activities this year, and hopefully this is a one-time thing we have to deal with in our careers.
In Billings, Russell Nimitz, MTN News.